Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on that '06 Silverado, the one we put the water pump in last time, because now it seems like he's got a radiator leak, and it's on the driver's side and the front of the grill here. You can tell that's the remnants, but right in here where the, I don't know if you can see it, but right where the crimping for the aluminum and the plastic is going together, it's leaking. So we're going to get working on that. So let's get this cover up so you can see better, and then we'll get the stuff. It's going to be, again, a little bit easier because we have electric fans and not a mechanical fan. Okay, I'm using one of these things. Basically, you line it up over the clip. You squeeze the clip if you can. I hope you can see that. And then it holds the retainer, and then bam, comes right up. Easy peasy, okay? That's the way you should do it. Yeah, I took that cover off, and then now you can really see it. I don't know if you can see it, but that rib, that's cracked. So it's leaking here because the plastic is cracked in one of the reservoirs over on the side. All right, let's get it out. We're gonna remove the coolant. We're gonna drain it, and we're gonna catch it, and then we'll remove the tube for the radiator. We'll make the fans, and we'll disconnect the electrics for that, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, 2 bolts, one here, and then the fan. I disconnected the 2 electric, and then it comes right up, okay? This is where the electric fans, the union was. Just pry it apart and it'll pop open, and then the coolant hose for the transmission. You gotta pop it up so you can lift it out. But otherwise it came out pretty easy. Let's try the radiator now. All that's left is the lower radiator hose, this bleed hose that goes up here, and that's it, and then the 2 bolts that hold it on each side. So we're going to get those apart. Okay, I disconnected the lower hose, got that out of the way, disconnected this coolant for the, and then also this up here for the overflow tube. I disconnected that, and now I removed the 2 bolts holding it, and then the radiator should come right out. Look, it just tilts back. Radiator's out, it's the original, and then now you can really see how bad that crack is in this area here. It's about ready to blow, so it's a good thing he caught it, and then it's a good thing we're replacing it. It looks like there might be some cracks in the bottom here as well. It looks like right there. So yeah, good go. All right, the guy got an OE part, so that's what we're going to be installing. I compared to the new one. It comes with new body mounts on the bottom of the feet, so it's going to make it so we don't have to use any of that. So okay, let's keep going. Alright guys, we're all back together. Engine's running, we've bled the system, added almost 3 gallons of coolant, checked for leaks, everything looks okay. So that's it guys. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching another video, and as always, have a great day.